Hey, what's going on, guys? We're getting tuned in with Don Shorts today. I got another tutorial, you know what I'm saying, slash training, teach you, you know what I'm saying, like how to, you know what I'm saying, do the messenger, you know what I'm saying, on autopilot and everything. When somebody, when you put up a post in Facebook groups, and next thing you know, and you just tell that person, message me. When you tell that person, please message me. Next thing you know, hold on. Hello? Alright, how long you gonna be? Alright, bet. Alright. Sorry for the interruption. You know what I'm saying? That was just, you know what I'm saying, like, you know what I'm saying, I'm about to get a little party started and everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go out, enjoy myself. Thanks to this opportunity and everything. But, this is what I wanted to say and everything. When somebody, you know what I'm saying, when you put up a post, an ad on one of the Facebook groups and stuff like that, and next thing you know, they put info or how, or enlighten me, and then next thing you know, you put you reply to it, please message me. And once you, that person messages you, next thing you know, like this, person right here, Scott right here, I just got finished talking to Scott. So, next thing you know, this message automatically, you know what I'm saying, popped up. It was like, hi Scott, thank you for, your interest in this amazing opportunity. Please, for full details, go to donshorts.com. Please take your time looking at the information. If you further questions, further questions, my phone line is on my website. Thanks. So, this one, see, I'm about to correct that, but, this where you go at. Go up here, and this the, Facebook, fan page. Go right here, go to settings. I'm trying to make it quick as possible, too. Alright. Go over here, hit messaging. Okay, now, when you scroll down, now make sure you turn on this. This got to be on yes, and then hit change, and then next you know, y'all could use the same message that I'm using right now, and come down here. Turn on yes. You'll use the same message. Look, you see right here, like, if you have questions, my phone line. And then next, you know, if you have a question, my phone line. But, you know what I'm saying, I had changed it. You know what I'm saying, I changed it when I actually looked at it and everything. You know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, you turn on this one. Hit yes. And then you can write, you know what I'm saying, like hi, but you can put the person name. It's automatically going to give you a feedback, what you want to put, like the person name, like first and last name. I just do that first name. I'm like, thanks for your interest in this, amazing opportunity. Please, for details, go to donshorts.com. The training included. Simple as that. And peep this. You join my team, and look, you join my team, bang. You got all the groups, you know what I'm saying, right here, you know what I'm saying, these active, super active, you know what I'm saying, marketing groups that automatically give you feedback. You know what I'm saying? These are people that actually interact in these groups. You know what I'm saying? I got a whole bunch of them, so, you know what I'm saying, it's a whole lot. But, you know, and people this, once you know what I'm saying, join my team, you'll have access to my training, and next thing you know, you click on them, you know what I'm saying, make sure, you know what I'm saying, make sure you be accepted into these groups so you can start marketing ASAP, so you can start getting results. That's one thing about that right there for the Facebook, autoresponder. Alright, peace. And peep this. Go to my YouTube channel, Donte Shorts, and next thing you know, you turn on that notification, subscribe and turn on that notification. So every little video I do, y'all get the updates on it. Peace. See you soon. Welcome to the team.